6 a.m., your VPN stops working. Slack logs you out, your badge is dead, then you check email. Oracle leadership thanks you for your service. Congratulations, you are one of 30,000. Here is the take. Oracle did not fire 30,000 engineers because AI got good. Oracle fired 30,000 engineers because Larry Ellison has a $156 billion data center habit to pay for, and he needed a story, so he picked yours. Here is what landed: between 20 and 30,000 jobs, roughly 18% of headcount, 12,000 in India alone, unilaterally at 6 a.m. signed by a distribution list. The email did not come from a manager, not from HR, it came from Oracle leadership. Quote, "After careful consideration of Oracle's current business needs, we have made the decision to eliminate your role." End quote. That is the whole goodbye. One engineer tried to log into the VPN 3 times before checking his inbox. His Slack was already dead. A family member posted on social, quote, "My dad has worked for Oracle for 20 years, not even a phone call." End quote. 20 years, 0 phone calls, that is the new severance package. Meanwhile, Larry Ellison was on stage at Oracle AI World saying the quiet part into a microphone. Quote, "The code that Oracle is writing, Oracle is not writing, our AI models are writing." End quote. Cool, love that for us. Ellison has a name for the new workflow. He calls it vibe coding. You do not write code, you declare your intent. The Apex AI code generator turns your vibes into a SaaS app. Oracle claims 10 times productivity, 10x the classic number. Here is the claim that made every engineer choke on their coffee. Oracle says they are rebuilding the entire Cerner healthcare platform with AI. Cerner took over 25 years to build by humans. Oracle says AI will redo it in 3 for healthcare software. What could possibly go wrong? Follow the money. Oracle did not lose last quarter. Net income, $6.13 billion, up 27%. Backlog, $553 billion in contracted revenue. This company is printing cash, but it owes $156 billion for AI data centers. Those 30,000 salaries, $8 to $10 billion freed up every year. Now the math works. Wall Street had a reaction. Shares popped 4 to 6% the same day. You got fired at 6 a.m. The stock was green by 9:30. Shareholder value maximization, baby. And Oracle is not alone. Jack Dorsey just nuked 4,000 people at Block, 40% of the company, same playbook. Quote, "The models just got an order of magnitude more capable." End quote. Dorsey says most companies will follow within a year. He is probably right, that is the scary part. But here is the counter take. Bloomberg called it AI washing. Even Mark Benioff said the quiet part, quote, "It is too easy to make AI the scapegoat." End quote. Block tripled headcount during COVID, 3,900 to 12,500. Now they cut 40% and blame a chatbot. That is not AI eating jobs. That is a CEO unwinding his own mistake with a better headline. Hacker News lit up within the hour. The top comment was not cope, it was math. Oracle cannot service its debt without cutting payroll. The AI story is the wrapping paper, the box is a bond yield. About that 10x productivity claim, METR tested experienced devs using AI. Result, they were 19% slower, not faster, slower. Oracle is selling a 10x multiplier on a tool that benchmarks negative, but the line on the earnings slide looks incredible, and that is what matters this quarter. So who survives this? Not the person who only writes code. Ellison said it himself, you declare intent. Somebody has to know what intent to declare. Somebody has to read the AI slop before it ships to a hospital. System design, product sense, output validation, the boring adult skills, those survive. The CRUD factory does not. The advice from the Oracle subreddit was brutal and correct. Quote, "Always be interviewing, invest in yourself, stop working hard for these hacks." End quote. Your loyalty is a rounding error in a CapEx model, act accordingly. Oracle just ran the experiment for everyone else. Cut 30%. Blame AI, watch the stock. The results are in. Wall Street rewarded it. So did every other board. Expect the 6 a.m. email to become an industry standard. Sleep in. Check your VPN first.